In a dense, vibrant jungle, there lived a parrot named Polly. Polly was famous for her ability to mimic any sound she heard, but her most significant characteristic was her love for talking. Every day, she would chat with the birds, monkeys, and even the wind, never pausing to listen. Her constant chatter often irritated the jungle inhabitants, but they tolerated her because they admired her talent. One day, Polly heard a faint cry for help from deep within the jungle. Instinctively, she began to imitate the sound, hoping to attract help. However, no one came. The cry grew louder, and Polly continued to mimic, but still, no help arrived. Feeling frustrated, Polly flew towards the source of the sound. To her surprise, she found a small, injured owl caught in a hunter's trap. The owl was too weak to free itself and was in dire need of help. Polly, despite her talkative nature, was silent. She looked at the owl, then at the trap, and realized she couldn't help. Overwhelmed, she began to talk, but no words of help came. In that moment, Polly understood the importance of listening. She had spent so much time talking that she had neglected to truly listen. The owl, who had been trying to call for help, had been ignored due to Polly's constant chatter. Polly vowed to listen more and talk less. She promised to use her gift of mimicry not just for entertainment, but to help others in need. And so, the talkative parrot learned the value of listening and became a friend, not just a chatterbox, to all the jungle inhabitants. Moral: talking is important, but listening is essential. We must learn to listen to understand and help, not just to speak ***.